Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Also, turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. Now let's get into it. So, what exactly is machine learning? You've likely come across this term before. And yes, you already have a general understanding. It's the reason YouTube knows just what video you want next. It powers chatbots that respond instantly like they're human. But here's the pressing question. Is machine learning synonymous with AI? And how does deep learning fit in? Is it simply a different name? Not quite. Let's simplify this. Consider it in layers. Artificial intelligence, AI, encompasses the vast concept within AI. There's machine learning, ML, and within ML, you have deep learning, DL. It's arranged hierarchically. Machine learning, ML. Machine learning revolves around training computers to identify patterns in data. Instead of coding strict rules like, greater than if this occurs, then do that, we instruct a model with data, and it discovers the rules independently. Thus, when new data arrives, it can predict outcomes, make informed decisions, identify unfamiliar patterns. That's the magic of it all. Deep learning, DL. Now, scale that idea upwards. Deep learning employs neural networks with numerous layers, inspired by our brain, to grasp complex patterns. It powers voice assistants, image recognition, self-driving technologies, and even platforms like ChatGPT. How does it operate? At the heart of machine learning is a process called training. You input a model with data reflecting real-world scenarios. If the training is effective, the machine learning holds immense potential, yet we must navigate its path carefully. As we embrace this technology, it's crucial for us to engage in open dialogues about its impact on society. Through collaboration across various fields, ethics, technology, and public policy, we can explore new solutions that maximize benefits while minimizing risks. By encouraging diverse voices in these conversations, we can cultivate an inclusive environment that addresses concerns and embraces innovation responsibly. Ultimately, a balanced approach will enable machine learning to transform industries positively, aligning its growth with the values that matter most to us all. Concerns regarding machine learning don't just end with bias. Data security is another pressing issue we must tackle. As machine learning systems increasingly gather and analyze personal information, the risk of breaches and misuse escalates. A breach could expose sensitive details, causing harm to individuals and eroding their trust in technology. This underlines the importance of robust security measures that protect user data and uphold ethical standards, ensuring that machine learning applications serve their intended purpose without compromising privacy. To address these challenges, we need to prioritize transparency in machine learning systems. This involves making algorithms understandable, which can empower users to trust and engage with the technology. Developers should also implement continuous monitoring and auditing of models to detect biases and rectify issues promptly. By fostering an environment of open communication about the workings and implications of machine learning, we can build a more responsible framework that aligns with public standards and ethical considerations. This proactive approach ensures that as we advance machine learning technology, we do so in a way that safeguards society's well-being and ensures fair access for all. Now, let's talk about the future of machine learning. With ongoing innovations like quantum computing on the horizon, we're approaching a new era where the capabilities of ML could transcend our current imagination. Imagine algorithms processing data at lightning speed, uncovering connections we haven't even considered yet. The potential here isn't just about refining existing tools, it's about creating entirely new paradigms that can redefine our interactions with technology and each other. Moreover, as we rally around ethics and responsibility in AI, we may very well set the standard for not only how we utilize these groundbreaking tools, but also how we cultivate a future that values both intelligence and humanity. Machine learning is not merely a buzzword, it represents a paradigm shift in how we interact with technology. As we look ahead, imaginations are ignited by the endless possibilities this field holds, shaping everything from personal assistance to innovative healthcare solutions. By focusing on responsible practices and engaging discussions, we can ensure that this transformation not only advances technology but also promotes a future rooted in fairness, transparency, and collaboration, leading us toward a harmonious coexistence with intelligent systems. Embracing these principles will ultimately empower us to leverage machine learning's full potential for societal benefit. So, as we venture into this future, it's essential to recognize that the dialogue surrounding machine learning must evolve alongside its technology. By doing so, we ensure that we're not only harnessing its power effectively but also addressing the societal concerns it raises. Engaging communities, experts, and stakeholders will help create solutions that promote innovation while also safeguarding the well-being of individuals and society as a whole. This collaborative approach will be key in shaping a future where machine learning serves humanity positively, fostering an environment of trust, ethics, and empowerment. In summary, while machine learning transforms our world with incredible advancements, it simultaneously invites us to embrace our responsibilities as developers and users. By fostering ethical practices and open dialogues, we can ensure this technology enhances society, paving the way for a future where innovation and humanity go hand in hand. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Also, turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.